Hey guys, this is Henry here again, aka Spirit FX. Alright guys, in this video I want to be teaching us a little strategy. It's not supposed to take more than 1 or 2 minutes. This strategy has been working and so far so good. I've been giving it a trial and so far it has been positive. Now if you check my if you check my chart, you would see I have moving average. I have like 4 moving averages on that chart. Is this green? The green, orange, blue, and black. Now the green one is the 200 moving average, exponential 200 moving average. It's on the 1 minute time frame. Now when you notice that the 200 moving average has crossed below the candlestick, let's say for instance it is only the 200 moving average you have on your chart, because that's what I want to be teaching on right now. Immediately it crosses the chart on the 1 minute time frame, go on the 5 minutes time frame. If you watch that, it has also crosses below a bullish candle, which is the blue or the green, whichever you set yours to be, but which is the buy candle. If you check the 1 minute that it has crossed, you check the 5 minute that it's also crossing, just place a buy signal. Honestly guys, this has a will I say 85 or 90% accuracy. That's what it has. If you check now, I entered a buy on XAUUSD and you can see I'm on profit. Now let me use another currency pair for example. Let me go to USD JPY. Oh, this is nice for a sell. If you check, the first one we did was for a buy. Now immediately it crossed the sell candle, which is the red candle, the bearish candle on the 1 minute. Then you check the 5 minutes. As you can see, the 5 minute has also crossed. Place a sell. Just place a sell. If you watch now from the 1 minute, you see it has been selling. 5 minutes immediately crossed. If you had placed a sell, you will be in profit as we speak. So it works perfectly. That is, if it is only this 200 moving average you want to have on your chart, this is a best way to analyze it and enter a position. Now let's use another currency pair again. Let's go on GBP USD. Now, wow, if you check GBP USD, it crosses in the 1 minute time frame, and on the 5 minutes, as you can see, immediately it crossed. It's buying. So if you had placed a buy, you would have actually made massive profit. Do you understand? So it works best on the 1 and 5 minutes. Let me see the 15 minutes. As you can see, the 15 minutes is not even doing anything yet. So it works best on the 1 minute and the 5 minutes. So basically it's for scalping. At least your TP should be not more than 10-15 pips. 10-15 pips. So that's it guys. This is for the 200 moving average. Very simple, very easy to understand. If you have only this moving average on your chart, you can actually make sweet profits. So most of you have been asking, sir, how do you do your stuff? How do you call out good signals? This is one of the way I get perfect entries. One of, not only, because if you check my chart now, you can see that I have the RSI below, I have the Stoch, and I have other moving average also. So because it's not really good to just focus on only one indicator. Do you understand? It's good to have more than one, at least 2 or 3 indicators on your chart to give you assurance of what you want to call. But really, with this moving average, with this 200 moving average exponential, it's perfect on the 1 minute and 5 minutes for scalping. As you can see, I've shown you this stuff on different currency pairs, and so far so good. It has perfectly worked. So you can try this, install it before you use it on your real account. Test it on your demo. Test it. Once you've tested it, you'll see what I'm saying. Thank you very much guys. If this video has been helpful, give it a thumbs up, share this video to all your social media platforms, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.